I'm here today on a Monday morning at Freedom Park in Bangalore. I was here yesterday as well. As expected, we had thousands of students gather here, not just in Delhi. It shows our solidarity with Mr. Sonam Wangchuk. He's not fighting for his own cause. He's fighting for the lives of the students that have already been lost and whose lives are at stake. Maybe the government does not take us seriously. Maybe they can call us cockroaches. Yes, this is what cockroaches are capable of. Questioning democracy, asking for accountability. Are we asking this for our own personal reasons? We are asking this for the lives that have been lost. Just one person's resignation. If that this government cannot provide, that means there are larger people who are at stake in this particular reason. So, I request each one of you to join the protest. We are not jobless. We have things to do. If the government considers us as idiots, so be it. But we will fight. We will fight till this democracy speaks up.